Here's some footage of me doing what I love doing best. Making some yakitori. Arigatougozaimasu. Hey Yakigang, Yakitori guy here. Today is not a yakitori lesson. I just wanted to celebrate our anniversary together here with you guys. Exactly 1 year ago, I released my first tutorial video on breaking down a chicken. As with pretty much everyone, my life completely changed around March 2020. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, my life as a pop-up chef hosting intimate yakitori course dinners came to a pause. My mission since day one has always been to help spread yakitori and create a community around people who enjoy yakitori. And 1 year later, we have over 7,500 Yakigang subscribers on this channel who have amassed over 30,000 watch time hours. And I find that pretty amazing because if you spend an hour watching my videos to make a yakitori dinner at home, that means there's been 30,000 potential times that you and others have spent watching my videos to make yakitori at home. I'm also very excited to hear about the progress you guys are making at home with yakitori. Just like me, I'm always making new progress every week. Every week I'm learning how to make better yakitori. I'm getting better at filming, getting better at editing, and it wouldn't happen unless you guys and I were in this process together for this past year. So I thank you for your patience and support for being part of this journey with me. Thank you to all the positive and even negative feedback you sent to me, which has helped me make better videos for you. Thank you for all the positive words of encouragement. Thank you for all the thanks that you guys have told me, how with my lessons you guys are able to make good yakitori at home. And thank you to all those who continue to share this channel with friends and family. You're helping to grow yakitori, and we're seeing the Yakigang community grow and grow. And a big thank you to the Yakigang who have contributed chickens to this channel. To honor you guys, I wanted to immortalize your names, so I included them here pretty much as rolling credits. Whether you've donated 1 chicken or 10 or even more, it's definitely helped out with this channel. Each of those donations really help with the financial cost of these videos, including the ingredients that I need, such as the chicken, the charcoal, just equipments that I want to review. In addition, I've been able to upgrade some of my filming equipment. For example, I have this wireless mic that I'm using. It allows me to just freely move around and cook and talk at the same time. And I've been able to upgrade my computer. For the first few videos, I was using my old MacBook, the 2013 MacBook that I had, and it just didn't have enough processing power. So as you can see from my earlier videos, it's really not well edited. But I was able to upgrade to a better computer, which allows me to create more videos, edit quickly, so I can just pump out more videos quickly for you guys. And now that I'm filming a lot, I also got an external hard drive so I can put all those footage in there and come back to it again, possibly making some remastered versions of some of my tutorials for you guys. And also through those chicken donations, I've been able to get some merch such as this hat, got some beanies, had some pins, magnets, some stickers, and these have mainly just been sort of thank you gifts for these donors and if I'm doing community events. But it's just allowing me to just have more fun with yakitori, with Yakigang, and basically it's all because of your guys' support. So once again, Yakigang, thank you guys so much. Arigatougozaimasu. I hope you guys really enjoyed this first year. It was very memorable for me. Lots of challenges, learning something new, but it's been just rewarding, and I'm just grateful that I've been able to share what I love with you guys and just having this growing community of Yakigang just supporting what I do. In addition to continue to release these yakitori tutorials for you guys, I'm hoping as travel opens up, I'm able to go back to Japan, go to all these yakitori shops, go to the shops that I worked at, go see my masters, go see my teachers, and try out new shops that I can show you guys a lot of these behind the scenes of the Japanese yakitori culture. So definitely stay tuned. Once again, thank you so much, Yakigang. I hope you guys enjoyed this first year of the yakitori content. It was definitely a little bit of challenge of learning new things, but a very enjoyable moment knowing the sort of impact that I can make through these videos for you guys. All right, so that's it for today's video. As usual, if you love what I'm doing, give a thumbs up, write in the comments, make sure to subscribe, and you can always donate some chickens to help support this channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, Yakigang.